Okay. Okay, children. So shall we start? I'll
Yes,
tell the
ma'am.
chapter number. I'll tell the chapter number. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Chapter number is 1 minute.
Ma'am, our
Yes.
that
Yes.
chapter is playing with numbers. Chapter finished.
Playing with the numbers chapter finished. Lot of things were there. We took everything, right? Okay. So our next chapter is chapter 8. So all came. Shall I start? It is a new chapter. So I'm waiting for the others also to join.
Ma'am, decimals.
Decimals. Chapter 8 decimals. Chapter 8 decimals. Okay, wait.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. So we'll start. It is chapter 8 decimals. 1 minute. I think all reached. Chapter 8 decimals. Chapter 8 decimals. Okay, children, when you come next day, you bring your activity. See of Eratosthenes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bring your activity. So only one page, so that I can see it and mark it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
You have studied about decimals, right, children? You know addition. Addition of decimals.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 5th standard, we have studied everything. Okay, children, still there is some introduction. I'll teach you. Okay, children. Okay, you know division. When division comes, how the decimal comes, you know? You know, children?
Yes, division.
Okay, so division, when you divide, that is 5 by 10. No, not that. 36 by, 1 minute, 36 by 7 or 36 divided by 7. Okay, children. So when you do this, we will write 36 and we divide with 7. Then
Ma'am, with
what will you?
With 5.
With the 5. Then
35. Then we will get
35.
and so on.
Okay. Now this one, reminder one, that 7 will not go. Anna, will you mute, please? Okay. So that one, we cannot divide this one with 7. Okay, children. So what will you do? What will you do?
Put the point and
Put a decimal point and the same time give 0. Okay. Now we continue division. 7, 1, 7, 3. Again 1 0. Now no need of putting again some decimal points because okay 30 4 times 28. Continue division like this. Isn't it, children?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
decimal point you know properly what is decimals. Decimal. Okay. Again I will give you some more examples. Not the division.
Ma'am, should we write this?
Yes, children?
Ma'am, should we write this in the notes?
No. I'm just dividing, giving the definition. Okay,
Okay,
children?
ma'am.
See, I have a block. A block. Okay. It has 10 sub-blocks. Parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 blocks. Okay, children? And one more block. It has also 10 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 divisions. Okay. Okay. So there is 2 blocks, but it has sub blocks with it. Small parts. Clear, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So it is a combination of 10 small parts. I called Lal Krishna. He will come. Okay, children. So it has sub-blocks, 10 sub-blocks. Clear? No need of drawing. All are drawing, not listening to my class. No need of drawing, children. Listen. Listen, let me explain. Let me explain. This is not in your notes. It's not a part of your notes. So don't draw. Okay. So there are 2 blocks and it is a combination of 10 small parts. Clear, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
there are 2 blocks, 2 full blocks. And again, I have a small block with 3 sub blocks. Okay? 3 sub blocks. Clear, children? Now,
Yes.
I should write like this. How many full blocks are there? Full blocks?
2
2 full blocks.
blocks.
And actually there is a full block like this, but I have only 3. 3 out of 10 blocks. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So actually it is there are 10 blocks, but we have only 3 blocks. Third one is only 3 small blocks. Okay. So how will you write the fraction of this? How will you write the fraction?
3 by
3 by 10. There is no full block, but out of 10 blocks, only 3 small part is there. Clear? So
Yes, ma'am.
I have 2 full blocks and out of 10, only 3.
3.
Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
3 out of 10. Okay. And how will you write this 3 out of 10? 3 out of 10 is 1 by 10 is 1 by 10 is 10th. 10th. Okay. Like 1 by 4 is 4th. 1/4 we will tell, no? 1/4.
Yes, ma'am.
1/4. Okay, like that, 1/10. Clear, children? So
Yes.
there are, I'll show it again. There are 2 full block and 3 out of 10. Okay, and always it is not possible to write this 3 out of 10, 3 out of 10 like that. 3 out of 10, 3 out of 100 like that. So what we'll do is, we'll write like this, 2.3. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
2.3. That is, after decimal point, it is a part. After decimal point, the number comes. The 2 is a whole part. This 2 is a whole part, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Whole part. And after the decimal point, which number comes, it is known as the decimal part of the number, and it is a combination. It is a very small, out of 10, 3 part. Clear, children? Out of 10, 3 parts. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the how we will write the decimal point. This is the actual explanation to it. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Again, so will you give, if I give one more, 1 minute, let me erase it. Okay, so I will draw how will you represent this? What is the decimal part of this? Hmm?
Ma'am, 3.5.
3.5. Okay, after there are 3 full blocks and there is one, this 0.5, how 0.5 we will represent? 0.5 is, there is actually 10 parts, but only 5 part is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, children? Do you
Yes, ma'am.
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is the 0.5. That is known as that 0.5. 0.5 is 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10.
Ma'am,
Okay.
so, ma'am, can I ask a question? Ma'am, now we only discussed about 5 things, right? So it
Yes.
will become 15, it will become in 20 like that.
20 out of 10 means 20 out of 10 you mean instead of 5 if you write 50.
Ma'am, if
That is
instead of
another, that is the next part. That is if it is 56. That is out of 100. Second number is out of 100, right?
yes, ma'am.
Right, Anandu?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So second part, I will discuss about it. Second part, I will discuss. Okay. Okay, children. So now we will discuss only the first decimal point out of 10. Okay. As it goes to right side like this, 3.567. As it continues towards right side, its value decreases. Clear? Its value decreases. That is, this first one is 5 out of 10, but the second one is 6 out of 100. Clear, children? Second one is out of 100. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
That I will discuss. First, we will discuss about the first point. First point you understood.
Yes,
First
ma'am.
part is out of 10. 3 out of 10. Okay, children. Now I will give about the second part. Okay. After that, I'll give the notes. No need of drawing anything. Now listen, it is difficult. It is difficult to draw, but I'll try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, children, now look at here.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
100.
100.
It is 100, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
a full block. How many pieces are there?
100.
100. Okay. And I have another block like this. Okay. Okay, children.
Ma'am.
Ah.
20.
Then I have only this. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
100.
Clear, children? So I have a full block, but it is not 10. I have a full block. How many pieces are there?
100.
100 pieces. So I have a full block, full block, full block. So 1 point. No, wait. 1 and I will tell you right like this. 1 and 1 full block, and this is how much? Actually, there are 100. Actually, there are 100,
100.
right? So 100. But like this lengthwise, how many blocks I took from here?
10.
How many blocks I took from here? This much, this much.
20.
How many blocks?
20.
20. That is 2 out of, how many parts I shaded here? 2 out of 2
20.
out of 10 parts, right?
Yes.
2 out of 10 parts. Clear, children? These blocks 1, 2, these blocks 1 and 2 blocks here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blocks are there, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
which I shaded now?
2.
I shaded 2 parts. Like that, how many total parts are there?
10 parts.
10.
This 10 parts. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
And now I'm taking this one. This one. So let me shade it. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many parts I took now?
4.
4. Like that, how many total parts are there?
100.
26.
Total parts?
100.
This small part. Look at the small part. Look at the small part. Okay, small part. Like this small part, how many parts are there total?
100.
100. Out of that 100, how many parts I took here?
4.
4. 4.
4 by 100.
4 by
Correct. Correct. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So one full part. One full part. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
One full part, and there is some subdivision like this. When I shaded one subdivision that out like that block, lengthwise block. Okay, out of how many blocks I took these two? Out of
10.
10 blocks. So it is 2 by 10. But look at the small part.
Hundreds.
So out of 100 small part, I took only 4. Clear, children? So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is this. 1, then 1 2 by 10, and 1 4 by
4 by
100.
100.
Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
And we will write like this, 1.2. But again, you cannot write for again decimal point. So we will indicate like this, 1.24. So what is this place value? What is this 2's place value?
10.
10.
1 by 10. 2's place value is
1 by 10.
1 by 10. And what is this 4's place value?
1 by 100.
1 by 100. Clear, children? Now I'll give one more question. 256.34. This 256 is our normal number.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the place value here? 6.
Once.
Once. Okay, once. 1. And what is 5's place value? Tens. Look at the spelling. Tens. 5 tens.
Yes, ma'am.
5 tens. 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 Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
5 tens. And this is simply 10. Now what is the place value of 2?
Hundreds.
Hundreds. Hundreds. Hundreds. Two hundreds are there, right? But
Yes, ma'am.
what about the place value of this?
10.
1
1 by 10. And this?
1
by 100.
100. Okay. And this one, it is 10th. 10th.
10. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
10th. Check the spelling. 10th.
10.
Meaning is out of 10, 1 part.
Ma'am,
Clear,
so
children?
when we write 10th, we need to write that S also, right?
10th. 10th. And this is not 100, it is 100th. 100th. Clear, children? 100. What is the meaning of that? Out of 100, 1 part.
1 part.
So there is a lot of meaning when we write the spelling. Here it is meaning is that 6 ones, 6 ones, 5 tens, tens. Okay, 10, 5 annum. Okay, 5, 5 tens. But right side after the decimal point, its value decreases. You know it, 1 by 10. 3 out of 10 parts means it is a less number. Out of 10, we took only 3. But when it comes 4 by 100, its value again decreases.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand? Out
Yes,
of 100, we took only that very small part. Out of 100, we took that small part only. Clear?
Ma'am, so after the point, if 3 digits come, it will
Very
become
less.
1000,
It is
right?
very
1000,
less.
right?
It is very less, yes.
Thousands.
So it is very difficult for me to draw. Listen, children. 1000 blocks, it is very difficult for me to draw.
Ma'am, no
So
need
I am
to
not
draw, ma'am.
drawing
Ma'am,
that. Wait. I'll write again. So, 1 minute. See, children. 256.347. What is 7's part?
thousands.
Thousandth. Right? What is the meaning of that?
1 by 1000.
100 out of 1000, 7 parts. So it is very less. Clear, children? So when it became 100 itself, it becomes very less. Very small part we are taking, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So out of 1000 means this small part again we are dividing into 10 parts. Clear?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This small part again we are dividing into
10 parts.
10 parts. 10, 10, again 10, 10. So one small part will be out of 100, right?
Yes,
So that
ma'am.
small part we are taking, small part, very small part. So did you understand the meaning? So as we goes to write, as we go on continuing going to right side, decimal value decreases. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
one more example I'll give you. 1 minute. Okay. 356.759. So after decimal point, this part is out of 10 parts, 7 parts. So that long block.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand? This long
Yes,
block.
ma'am.
Long block. This one. But this 5 when it comes, it is out of 105 parts.
5 parts.
So this block. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And but 9 comes. It is 9 by 1000.
9 by 1000.
That is again this small part is divided into 100 parts. Clear,
Yes,
children?
ma'am.
So in that, it is a very small part like this. It is a very small part. That is like that, like small dots. It is 9 small dots. So as we goes to right, as we go, continuing, going right, its value decreases. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is a specialty of decimal point. But what about this 356 normal number? As we goes to left, what
It
happens?
becomes
Value increases.
It is 35,679. Ones, tens, hundreds,
hundreds,
thousands,
thousands,
10,000.
10,000.
So when you goes to left, our normal decimal part, integral part, its value increases. But
Increases.
here when you go right side, its value decreases. Clear? So this is the proper definition, introduction of decimal numbers. Clear, children? So that 1,000 part, it is difficult for me to draw. 100 anyway I can draw, but 1,000 parts, it is very difficult. But you can
Okay, ma'am.
understand now. So
Yes,
when
ma'am.
next
Yes,
number
ma'am.
comes,
Yes, ma'am.
it's the place value is out of 10,000. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So actually, when it is decimal number, it is a most very important session for us. So when this fraction of a second or a decimal part of a second, minute, it has a great importance when it comes to the track and field. Means when running race comes, not in the normal running race, when any Olympics or any international competition comes. So that time, this timing has of great importance. See the children? So for a fraction of second, the Olympic medalist winner cannot, they cannot win because of this fraction of seconds. Another person will come. So third place will go. Okay. Okay, children. So this fraction of or decimal number has great importance when it comes to a big event, international event like athletics, Olympics. Okay, children. Yes. And when the place value comes, I'll draw the place value box. 1 minute.
Ma'am, this should. Ma'am, we should place it.
No. I'll just write the place value box. 356.5792. Okay, if you get, and when you read this decimal number, you should read it like this. Don't read this 5,792. It is 356.5792.
5792.
Clear, children?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So this 5's place value is 5 out of 10.
10.
10.
And it is 10th.
10.
10.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is 7 by
7 by
7.
100.
100.
and it is known as
Hundredth.
100th.
100.
100th. And 9 is
9 is
9 by, yes, and the Krishnan?
9 by 1000.
1000.
1000th.
1000.
2 by 10.
Ah, 2 by
10,000.
10th. 10,000th. 10,000th.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So, shall we start the introduction?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. Okay. So, introduction. Introduction. First one we'll write about 10th. Okay, children.
Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, I finished right.
Okay.
Ma'am, finish. Assalamualaikum. Ma'am, finish.
Hmm?
Ma'am, finish.
So now you are drawing that 100. Okay. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
I'm finished.
Finish? Okay. Finish?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
First question. Write each of the following as decimals. Okay. First question. 5/10. Is there any whole part for this? Is there any
No.
whole part?
No, ma'am.
Normal number part is there?
No, ma'am.
No.
No.
So we'll write 0. There is no number part, integral part. And so that is 0. We used to write 0 point something, right? What does it means? There is no normal part, normal whole part. Okay. 0.5. Is it okay now? 0.5. Okay, children. Second one, 3 plus 7/10. What is this?
3.7.
3.7.
3.7.
Okay. Third one, 200 plus 60 plus 5 plus 1/10.
265 plus
Point
265.1.
1.
point.
Okay. Fourth one, 70 plus 8/10.
70.8.
70.8.
70.8. Clear, children? You
Yes,
understood?
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, your textbook, a lot of explanation figures are there. So when I give the, I'll send the notes to you just to write in tables. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
you can write in the textbook itself. Exercises.
Okay.
Textbook itself. Now you're drawing in your notes.
Okay,
Enough.
ma'am.
Textbook itself. Just to write like fractions. So just fill the tables only. Okay, children. So
Okay,
if you
ma'am.
want, you can write in your notes itself. I'll send it. Exercise 1. I'll send now itself. Okay, children. So shall I wind up now? Today
Yes,
we
ma'am.
don't have any more period. Only one period today. Isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I will send the notes to you. And HCF, LCF, some problems are there as homework. That also I'll send.
Okay, ma'am.
So thank you. Shall I wind up?
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you, children.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.